It was unusually quiet Tuesday as Congressman Hunter entered the federal courthouse flanked by supporters. Inside the courtroom, Judge Thomas Whalen agreed to push Hunter's trial date back 4 months to January of 2020. Now, prosecutors and the defense had originally asked for the trial to be moved to the end of October, but due to the judge's scheduling conflicts, the upcoming Thanksgiving and Christmas holidays, they decided to move it to January of next year, and that's just 2 months away from the March 2020 primary.
Delay is always a difficult thing to predict. I mean, it can hurt your case because witnesses can forget, witnesses can get sick, witnesses can die.
In July, Hunter filed a motion to have an indictment alleging he used campaign funds to fund a lavish personal lifestyle thrown out. He cited the speech or debate clause of the Constitution, which protects members of Congress from being prosecuted for legislative activities. Judge Whalen denied that request.
There seems to be at least a colorable claim that, speech and debate is implicated. Whether it's meritorious in this case, the Court of Appeals will decide.
Congressman Hunter, how are you doing?
The Ninth Circuit has yet to decide whether to take up Hunter's appeal. Prosecutors argue Hunter is simply trying to push the trial back.
Prosecutors say that this is simply a delay tactic. What would you say to that?
I have no comment on what just transpired. It'll all play out.
Do you think that it's in any way going to affect your duties as a sitting congressman?
No.
Despite the delay, former federal prosecutor Labella says Hunter's actions indicate that he's prepared to go all the way with this case.
Doesn't seem like he's asking for a deal or wants a deal. It looks like he wants to go to trial, and they're pursuing all their options, preserving all their arguments for appeal, and moving forward. It looks like this is destined for trial.
But when asked about it, Hunter would not make a prediction.
Do you still plan to take this to trial? Do you think you could win at a trial, Congressman?
All right, guys. Have a good day.
If the Ninth Circuit doesn't take Hunter's appeal, former federal prosecutors say he has the right to take it all the way to the Supreme Court.
He can try to go to the Supreme Court and see if they'll take cert. Not likely.
Prosecutors told Judge Whalen they plan to ask for dual jurisdiction so that the trial can go on while Hunter's appeal is pending. Whalen indicated he will wait to see what the Ninth Circuit decides before addressing that issue. Matt Hoffman, KPBS News.